And it died. It's going all the way on the back side. I want it to come all the way down to the end. That's a little scrubby. Make sure you get the undercarriage and the wheels.